dubbing Pakistan as one of the most attractive destinations, calling it the next big thing in international tourism. The expansion, however, has materialized so far mostly in the domestic segment. And the security variable has remained a key determinant. Ladies and gentlemen, the 8 months that we have been in office, this government has perhaps done more to promote tourism than any predecessor. There are 4 areas where we have seen tangible outcomes. Firstly, we have made it easier for the world to travel to Pakistan. Pakistan's visa policy has been thoroughly revamped. Allow me to share with you the salience. A, visa fee has been rationalized from as high as $595 to a maximum of $65. For most Asian and African countries, averaging $20 to $25 only. Electronic visa facility will be available to citizens of 175 countries within 7 to 10 days of online payment. And visa on arrival facility will be given to 50 countries. Barring few locations, visitors would require no prior clearance for movement. Importantly, all roads leading to international border crossings would be open to foreigners. NOC requirements for accessing them have been done away with. For overseas Pakistanis, missions abroad will be issuing up to 5-year multiple entry visas. May I also add that the Federal Cabinet has recently approved a new aviation policy aimed at promoting tourism, particularly to our northern areas. Secondly, negative travel advisories by major countries have been an impediment, raising insurance costs and discouraging everything except essential travel. The Foreign Office is making concerted efforts to have the advisories removed or softened. Portugal has removed it. Other countries, including Canada and France, have softened it. This, of course, remains an ongoing endeavor. The more successful events we are able to pull off, the better the security perception, the stronger our case. Thirdly, with the inauguration of Kartarpur Corridor, we have not only undertaken an important confidence building initiative with India, but also given impetus to spiritual tourism in Pakistan. The corridor is said to be